What's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the Kemimoto custom fit outdoor cover for all Can-Am Ryker models. Looking at the specifications, this cover is made of high tensile strength 420D Oxford fabric, features reflective strips on both sides of the cover to raise awareness and visibility of your Ryker, has both elastic at the bottom and two adjustable straps to secure the cover so it can withstand any wind or weather elements. And lastly, has air venting holes on both sides to avoid moisture being trapped under the cover or on the motorcycle. This cover is compatible with all Can-Am Rykers, including the 600, 900, Sport, and Ryker Rally. Personally, I love keeping my bike looking good and clean at all times, so for me, this was a must-buy item. As you all know, the Ryker is made of mostly black plastic, so this cover will keep it looking new and protected from any eventual UV damage or sun fading as well. So getting the cover on the Ryker is very simple. Simply place the cover on the bike with the Kemimoto logo facing the front, pull it over the back wheel, come around the front, pull it over the left and right wheel as well, and just like that, your bike is now covered and protected from the elements. Lastly, you want to secure the strap at the bottom to make sure your cover stays in place and does not blow away with any strong winds. If you are looking to protect your Ryker and keep it clean, this is the perfect lightweight but strong cover for the job. As a bonus, this cover also includes a carrying bag so you can store it away when not in use. I just got this cover, so I'm not too sure about long-term durability, but I'll report back in a few months after I use it for a while and give you all an update. As for now, it does look like a strong cover that should hold up just fine. Alright, well that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.